Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel here today, and I have the OnePlus 9R here on my channel. As you can see, this is the board itself. So this OnePlus 9R was only released in China and also in India. So the unit here I have is the China version, and as you can see, it has 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage with the color of carbon black. Alright, so let's unbox it. Alright, on the side here you will see the 9R. Right, there we go. So I've actually unboxed it before. So let's see the phone. How do I take out? Right, I'll put that aside first. These are the stickers on the phone on the back. The box here. Right. So as usual, with the clear case, with the stickers and the manual things. Alright, we have the Warp Charge 65 charger. This one is a Type A port, so it's not same as the OnePlus 9 and the 9 Pro because they have the Type C port over here, but this one is only the Type A. And then we have the Type C to Type A cable as usual, the red color. Alright, so we'll put this aside and let's see the phone. There we go. So I'll unwrap this plastic. So this version actually runs Color OS because it's the China version, and I already flashed the Oxygen OS on this unit. So by flashing it, you have to use the MS-M2 to flash it because there's no local upgrade on Color OS. So you need a computer to do so, to flash the Oxygen OS. So everything works perfectly fine and it's very fast and fluid. As you can see, the display here is 120 Hz. Sorry, it has the 120 Hz Full HD Plus resolution. As you can see here, 120 Hz. Alright, with a small punch hole camera. So this is the white theme here, Oxygen OS 11. As you can see, 12 gigs of RAM, 250 gigs of storage. OnePlus 9R with Oxygen OS 11.2.3.3, and the model is LE2100. Alright, so it's really fast, there's no lag, everything seems super snappy. Let's have a look at the camera here. So it has the 48 MP if I'm not mistaken. So it's the same setup as the OnePlus 8T. So this basically is just a small upgrade to the 8T, which includes the Snapdragon 870. Alright, and some minor changes on the design. So yeah, I forgot to show the back of the design. So this one is the carbon black. As you can see, it feels very smooth to the touch. It's actually glass. Alright, so on the bottom you have the Type C port and the stereo speaker. There's one at the bottom and also one on the top of the volume piece here. Alright, with the volume rocker on the left and the power button and the alert slider as usual on the OnePlus phones. So the bezel here are considered okay, I would say. It's quite thin. Alright, you can see the bottom is almost identical to the side. Okay, it's definitely a fast phone, as you can see here. 120 Hz camera. I'll show again. This is the ultra wide angle. Let's have a quick comparison with the OnePlus 7 Pro. So this is my 7 Pro here. As you can see, I would still prefer the 7 Pro just because it has the full screen display without any notch. Alright, on the side here, on the back, the good thing for this 9R is that it's is very light, just below 200 grams. And it has 4500 mAh battery with 65 watts charging speed, so it takes like 0 to 100% in just 40 minutes. That's really fast. All right. Okay, so one more thing I want to mention about is this Australian OS is based on the India version because there is no other OnePlus 9R. So the only version they have is the India version. But of course, there's no issue using at all. This one is the Chinese version. Everything works fine. My SIM card also works fine. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, everything is great. All right. Let's go to, do I have Chrome here? Let me check. All right, we have Google Chrome. Let's check the display. Oops. All right, as you can see, 120 Hz. So for me, I feel like 90 Hz to 120 Hz is not a big difference because already like used to that. Right, there's some drop frames over here. I'm not sure why, but it looks good. All right, definitely a great phone for its value. Okay, one more thing I want to show you guys is the speaker. I think let's go to YouTube. I'll play some no copyright music. Sorry, let me music. All right, maybe I'll play this. I'm not sure. Okay, there's ads, definitely. Skip that. So as you can see, one on the top and one on the right bottom. It can go really loud if you turn up the volume. Okay, there's one thing over here. I'm not sure if you can hear it, but the vibration model over here is the X-axis. So it's one of the best X-axis for the phone. I don't think you can hear the vibration, but when you slide over here, there's vibration on the phone. It feels really solid. Yeah. Okay, so one more thing I will show about the display with 4K HDR video. Let's try. Not sure if there's 4K here. Let me see. Right, we have that 4K HDR. Alright, I will pinch in to the full screen. As you can see, it looks really great, bright. Alright, and also of course this model supports the HDR 10 Plus, and also you have Netflix in Full HD, so that's a good point. Alright, the display is really gorgeous. Okay, so I'll exit. So yes, I think that's all for the quick unboxing and short review of the OnePlus 9R. There's two flash, I suppose. One wide angle, one macro lens, and one monochrome lens, I guess. Alright, OnePlus logo. Alright, so that's it for the video here. OnePlus 9R. And if you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.